In this tutorial, I will show you how to projection map your house using AI. We will be generating creative facades quickly and easily using LumaMap, which is a paid application from LumaBox. First, you need to connect your projector to your computer and have it set up as an extended or external display in your display settings. If you're not sure how to do this, check out the links in the description. Head up to the menu and go to Output, choose Display, and make sure your projector is selected from the list. Confirm that the output resolution shown matches the resolution of your projector. Click Send to Display. Then enable Whiteout. Your projector should now be outputting white light. Use this to position your projector so white light hits all the areas you want to projection map. Move further back if your projector isn't covering enough of your surface. Move further forward if you are wasting lots of pixels around the edges of your surface. Try to find that sweet spot. When you've found your ideal projector position, take a photo of your house from as close to the projector's lens as possible. Make sure that all your surfaces are in the photo. This method of projection mapping works best if the projector is close to perpendicular with the projection surface, and there isn't a lot of perspective in the photo. Transfer the image to your computer using your preferred method. Import the photo into LumaMap. Disable whiteout. Now is a good time to make sure your projector is focused on the house. Move the corner handles so the reference photo matches onto the physical house. This process takes a little practice. You'll notice that moving one corner handle affects the lineup of the whole image. I recommend making rough alignments at first and gradually dialing in the mapping through smaller and smaller adjustments. You can also use outline mode to help you do this. When your reference image is lined up, you're ready to apply some AI magic. Open the AI and Art tool widgets. Enter a text prompt of what you would like to see. Try to be descriptive and capture the subject, mood, and style of what you would like in your generated image. Choose an AI model and choose an art style. The prompt strength affects how closely the generator will try to match the text prompt. The image strength will affect how much the final result will resemble the image in my canvas. Click Generate and wait for a preview to appear. I can improve these results by using the art tools. The colorizer lets you replace the colors in your original image. You can choose from these presets and adjust the gradient using these knots. You can use the paint tool to roughly sketch in some elements that gives the generator more to work with. Generate again. Click Upscale to Canvas to see the results in the canvas and on your house. You can unload the generated image to go back to your original canvas. I'm going to bump up the image strength because I want to retain even more of the features of my house in the generated image. Generate again. Click Upscale to Canvas. I really like this, so I'm going to export it. You can export your canvas as an image by clicking the Export Image icon on the toolbar. And that's how you projection map a house with a creative facade using AI.